It's time to play with ge. Today we want to see what happens to this one when wants to attach to other letters. And as you can guess, it is a sister of k. So they can be similar in these aspects, okay? Now this one is the lowercase g, this one capital. This one comes at the beginning or in the middle. This one comes always at the end. This one attached from here and always from here. This one sometimes attached from here, sometimes comes alone. Now let's go and see how they look like in the actual words. Here we have it in the beginning, here in the middle and attached from both sides, here in the middle and just attached from one part, here at the end and attached, here at the end and alone. Look, because of the letters that come before them, it's really important to know that, which I'm sure you are. Now let's read them together. First, gurbe, gurbe, gurbe. Gurbe is the same as, gurbe is the same as cat in English. Gurbe, cat. This one, sangin. Sangin. If you pay attention, you can actually read it. Sangin. Sangin. Sangin is the same as heavy in English. Sangin, heavy. Here, zendegi. Zendegi. Zendegi is the same as life in English. Zendegi. Here, sang. Sang. Sang is the same as rock or stone, more stone, I can say. Stone in English. Sang, stone. And the last one, gorg. Gorg. Gorg is the same as wolf in English. There, you know so many new words. Now, for practice, this one. 1 or 2 lines, write down this one, 1 or 2 this. And the part that it can attach to other letters should be in another color. Try to write down each one of them just once in order to practice and read them while you are writing them down, okay? Instead of saying cat, we say gurbe. Instead of saying heavy, we say sangin. Instead of saying life, we say zendegi. Instead of saying stone, we say sang. And instead of saying wolf, we say gorg. As easy as this. See you all next session. When you did your practice, please comment and let me know if you have any questions. And see you guys. Bye.